here at Cloverdale Skatepark. Super hot, but we got the roof and it's shady and cool with the wind. Zoom in. David's here and Mark's here. Bro broke his hand too. We were like broken hand buddies at a point because I broke the same spot. Still skating though. Skate. I'm surprised the cop didn't notice. Alright, so I didn't do a proper outro on the last video, so we're just going to combine these two videos. So the last time I was at Cloverdale with Mark and David there, I landed technically three new tricks. One was the nose slide big spin out. I've done the 270 shove, but never a big spin. And the crook big spin. And then, I don't even know what you want to call this trick, but I ended up finally landing it without toe tapping. So we'll show those clips. There you fucking go. There you fucking go. But yeah, it was good to finally land that trick and land those two other tricks. I probably could have done them sooner. I just never really thought about trying them, and then I did them. But today we're at Fraser Heights and it's a beautiful day. I'm here with my homie Brady. Yep. Got to stretch. Us old timers got to stretch before we skate. Yeah, we're just gonna have a casual sesh, see how it goes, and if this comes out beforehand, come to the Cal Streets Throwdown at Bear Creek Skatepark. Yeah, June 27th. Time to warm up on the bank. Alright, this battery's about to die. Finally got like nollie flips, nollie heels, a bunch of different tricks like that now, which like a couple years ago I couldn't even think about trying or doing. So sick. I'm gonna switch out the battery. We'll continue the sesh. So we are back after the battery change. Cursed GoPro pull tab ended up breaking off. So it happened on a couple others and I had to electrical tape them. So the original GoPro is like that. And after they break, you got to do like electrical tape like this for it to actually work, so you can pull it out. But it is pretty hot, so I think the tape is just gonna pull. But yeah, that's a quick easy fix when you don't have that tab, instead of using a key to bend and pry it. Because this one I had to pop out. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit of an indent there. The last thing you want to do is puncture one of these batteries and have it explode everywhere. You don't want it to explode everywhere. That's what she said. The only complaint I have here, well, two actually. The lights here suck and they need to be better lights, like stadium lights, like the soccer fields. At least like 2, maybe 3 to light up the whole park, kind of like Lafarge. And there's no shade really. They have a couple trees, but like the shade isn't at the park. Should literally make some shade walls or something, or at least mini roofs at parks now. dolphin flip, aka murder flip, aka mental flip, aka forward flip, was stomped down. Battery's just about to die, so I'm gonna swap it out. Landed quite a lot of tricks on this bank. Dang SD card error. So what I was saying before the battery died and SD card error was I was trying to do the fakie bigger spin, not big spin, bigger spin. I did do it technically, but I want to do it without like a revert. I want to do it like nice and flawless. So we'll see if we can do that. Yep. Let's go, buddy. Ollied Coney Hawk. Gonna have to watch the replay on that ollie over the cone, but oh my lord, that gut, you can definitely feel it when I do those ollies. And I also just did the fakie bigger spin. That felt cool. Fuck off. Fuck. Right on that fucking wrist. Ah, motherfucker. Beautiful 180, brother.
Cheers, my guy.
Yeah. I wanted to see if you guys can see my back truck is shifted like sideways towards like that direction, like this. I don't know if you can visually see it on the camera. And then the other truck is the opposite. It's like shifted that way. I don't know if you guys can see that. Definitely makes skating interesting and fun on this board, but it's annoying. I think I just need to maybe eventually call it on the trucks and get a new pair of Destructos or something. It's been like a couple of years, so. But I don't like switching things until I break it. Good sesh today. Landed that sick varial heel. Stomped that shit down. Super tired.